All right, this is day one on this '09 Dodge Ram. The clear coat is delaminating in various spots. This is the roof, and you can see that grinding it down, trying to get it off, but I'm hitting the base coat as well. I just can't help it. So I'm gonna have to prep the whole roof to be painted. I think I have enough. I think I bought enough paint to do that. You can see some more clear coat there. It's just really delaminated bad. So I'll keep grinding on it. It's using up a lot of sandpaper. I'm using 80 grit on my D8. And so anyway, I've gotten a lot done though. I've got this whole side here at 600 grit ready to spray. That feels nice and good. There's no lip right there. So I think that's ready to go. Surprising to see some Bondo underneath the factory paint. I got a few marks off of the tailgate I was able to get off. I'll be able to work on that one, I think. And so what else? Yeah, I've got this body damage here. Pretty smooth, feels good. I got a primer that yet. And this side of the truck looks pretty good, really. I got some marks here that I worked on, and I'll tape that off and see if I can clear coat that. I'm not sure if I can get some of that off of there or not. But I got to work on it. So yeah, we'll keep pushing along here. I did have to take the had to take the decal off. There's nothing I could do with it. I just had to take it off. I just couldn't work around it, so I took it off and see if I could buy another one. Anyway, just wanted to that's an update. Okay, that's good. Not that dry. All right, got it all masked off. It's taking me all day. But overspray can really be pretty bad sometimes. So I've got it all masked off. Get the roof. Yeah, the side panel here. Yeah, I think this is gonna work fine. All right, there it is.